Thank you for joining in, and for today's video I have another watercolor review here. This one is brand new from Viviva. This is the Spring Pan set and there's 16 different colors. And I also have the original set up on my channel too, if anybody was curious. And this is just some of the packaging, what comes with the pan set here. There's two nice little postcards here that you can fill in with your colors if you wanted to. Some cute little illustrations there, and it does come with a swatch card with all the names of the colors as well. First up, we have Crimson Lake. It's a nice pretty red. And then we have Opera Pink, which most of us already know. That's that really nice bright pink, like a hot pink. And then next it says Permanent Yellow, but to me this looks like a really nice orange. And then we have a unique color. I was surprised to see some pastels in here, but I really enjoy them, so that doesn't bother me at all. This one was Cinnamon, and it's like a peach color. Then we have, underneath that is a light yellow green. Then a permanent green. Another one of those pastel shades. There's a periwinkle. And then on the bottom is turquoise. Moving on to the other row at the top is alizarin crimson. And then below that we have a nice pastel pink, and this one is called Cocktail Pink. And then there's a brighter yellow, this is Bees Yellow. And Indian Red, and this one looks very similar to a burnt sienna. And next up we have an olive green, and then a Viridian. And then for the last two are more blues. So we have a cobalt blue and then a marine blue, which is really similar to like a cerulean. Overall, I'm really happy with the way the colors swatched and the actual colors themselves. I think I like this set a little bit better than the original, just based on the colors. They're a little bit more fun and unique, where the other set is just all your basics. Like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, I can link that other video down below too of the original set. But yeah, these are looking pretty good. Some of the pastel colors may be a little bit more not heavy like a gouache, but of course there's white in them, so you may or may not be a fan of that. But I just wanted to show that those are some extras there that I have on my palette. You can use the top piece there if you wanted to, if you were traveling, to mix some of your colors on there, but I'm sitting here at my desk, so I just used the palette. And now I will show some actual artwork so you don't just have to go based off of the swatches here. And I also have my Viva Colors journal here. This one is new to me. I normally use cold press paper and I decided to go with the hot press. So I do enjoy the square shape. Sometimes those are hard to find and I do like that it's a bit different. So here you can see how the colors look. Just trying to clean off my desk here a little bit to get everything in the view. So I used some of the pastel colors and then that opera in the middle, and some blue and yellow. And then of course, because the paper is hot pressed, it's really smooth, which again is very different for me. I'm used to that heavy texture, so I'm really happy with the way everything performed though. And I used it a few times, so I'm getting used to this new sketchbook as well. Also, if anyone is interested, I will be leaving links down in the description area so you can check out some of the Viva watercolors and journals if you would like. And then I have some more florals here. The lighter ones was the cocktail pink and then some of that cinnamon off on the corner there, the yellow. Oh, and I also mixed a few of the greens together and it looked really nice as well. I think it was the olive, a little bit of viridian, and that light yellow green. So the colors do mix really well together. Overall, I am really happy with this new spring set of watercolors, and again, I'm still getting used to that new journal, but so far so good. But you can be sure to like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you next time for more hauls and reviews.